I'm going to take a shot at explaining why this works. By the way, these two numbers go up here. It just got wrapped around. So what does log mean? Log of 10, log base 10 of 10 means 10 to the what power box will get you this 10. Well, 10 to the first power will get you 10, right? Like if we said log of 1,000, log base 10 of 1,000. That means 10 to the what power will get you 1,000, and what is in the box? 3 is in the box, so log of 1,000 is 3. So here's my point. We can unzip log, which we need to do, or natural log it would be, in the integrated rate log. And I'm going to try to walk through this. This is a booger. You probably need to hit pause and think and rewind this a few times. So log base 10 of x is 3, we'll say. And of course, we know it's 1,000, don't we? But what we're saying is 10 to the some power. Remember, that's what log means. 10 to what power will get me x? And the answer is 3. So I know that if I stick 10 with a power of 3, I get x. 3 as a power on 10 will get me x. 3 as a power on 10 will get me x. That's what we're saying. Okay, well, let's pretend I don't really know these numbers, and maybe this is a long equation. I just need to unzip this, and maybe this is an equation, right? I don't even, it's a nightmare, right? But what I'm saying is, let's take 10 to the power of the thing that when you take 10 to the power of it, you get x. That's what the other side is, right? This side of the equation is the thing that when you take it as the power on 10, you get x. So let's take 10 to the power of the thing that when you do that, you get x. Well, you don't even have to know what that power is. You know that when you do it, you get x. Look, I got x. So 10 to the power of log of something gets the something. However, it's an equation. These things are equal. They are mathematically, value-wise, identical. So if you do something to the left side, you must do it to the right. So I took 10 to the power of left side. I must take 10 to the power of right side. And look, x solves as 1,000, which we knew already, didn't we? So this goes right up to the edge of my ability with logs, and I still don't understand what E is, and maybe someday I will put enough thought into it. But anyway, natural log is log base E, which is a special number, like pi is a special number. And it goes on forever, I think. You don't even have to know what it is to work with it, just like technically you don't have to know what pi is to get the right answer. So when we have ln of some molarity equals 0.847, and I'm talking about here, I can unzip the log. I can say, okay, this means that when e to some power will get me this molarity. What's the power? Well, it's that one, isn't it? All right, you don't even really have to know what that is. So I'm going to take e to the power of the thing that when I take e to the power of it, I get the molarity. Even if you don't know what the power is, you know when you do it, you get the molarity. So e to the power of natural log, which is what log e is, gets you the thingy. But it's an equation, so you have to do it to both sides. And what you do is shift log or inverse log of that number to get the real number. And now you've solved for the unknown.